Lesson 6, Appearance, Adjectives, and Weather. Here are the vocabulary words. Tall, tall. Short, short. Kind, kind. Funny, funny. Shy, shy. Winter, winter. Spring, spring. Autumn, autumn. Summer, summer. Sunny, sunny. Rainy, rainy. Cloudy, cloudy. Snowy, snowy. Windy, windy. Foggy, foggy. Hot, hot. Warm, warm. Humid, humid. Cold, cold. Cool, cool. Damp, damp. Mustache, mustache. Straight, straight. Beard, beard. Smiley, smiley. Serious, serious. Wavy, wavy. Fair, fair. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.